welcome back to Hobby Farm Homestead. That storm brought a lot of snow. It snowed all night last night, and it's just kind of now tapering off. So I gotta shovel everything back out again. We're having a hard time getting doors open to things like to the barn, to the duck coop, the chicken coop. It's just, it's a mess. It is a mess because the last snow that came, and it didn't melt away even though we got quite a bit of rain. So definitely got to get out there and get this shoveling. I mean, you can see how much is on the doorway right there. I would say we probably got 10, 11 inches maybe, somewhere in there. You know, if it was a fluffier snow, it'd probably been over 2 feet easily. But like I said, it was more of a icy snow type of deal, so it compacted. So that's going to be harder to actually shovel, to be honest with you. So, but we got to do it. We got to get things going here. So we're going to go ahead and get these doors working right on the barn and stuff, and go from there. All right. Well, that's better. Open the door a little bit, now we can get the horses out. I don't think that door can take it anymore. It's about to fall apart. So I want to revamp this whole thing. I'm probably just going to put a hoop system in. The only thing I worry about them hoop systems is the wind. I'm afraid that they're gonna blow away, cave in or something. All right, duckies, let's see what's wrong with your water. All right, I'll tell you what, I don't think we can take any more of this. And they're saying on the news that maybe there could be several other storms like this. I don't have any more place to put the snow. But I definitely got to get some tires for this tractor. It's horrible. Or chains or something. I think chains will probably be pretty close to the same cost as tires. I mean, I can go buy new ones if I wanted to right now, but it's just, that's $1,000 a tire. And I'd like to try to find maybe some used ones that have at least half tread. It could be better than these. But I'll just keep looking. But I think right now I got to go over and shovel off the porch and then shovel around the cars and stuff like that. But it's so cold out that the camera batteries are dying pretty quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. I'm gonna call this video good, and I will catch you guys on the next one.